Hello everybody, I'm Serdar. We are going to learn some formulas in Google Sheets. Let's come to this cell, which is cell E3. If I want to enter any formula in Google Sheets, first of all, I start by typing in the equal symbol. And after that, I can type the formula which I want to use. For example, if I start typing in A, Google Sheet lists some formulas which start with this letter. But we are not going to learn these formulas. We are going to learn some basic formulas. Let's come to this sheet 1. Here we have some numbers and we are going to add these numbers, subtract them, multiply and divide. And we want their results here. Okay, let's come to this cell. I want to add these two numbers and have its result here. Okay. Now, first of all, I type in the equal symbol and I want to add 20 and 5. To do it, I just select this cell which contains the number 20, then I press plus, then I select this cell which contains the number 5 and press enter. And here we have the result. 20 plus 5 is 25. Here, let's come to this cell in the same way. Equals, select this cell, minus, select this cell. Press enter, and we get 15. Let's continue in the same way. Equals, select 20. Okay, to perform multiplication, we need this symbol, which looks like a star, and we call it asterisk. Then select this cell. Press enter, and we get 100. And the last one, equals 20. To perform division in Google Sheets, we need this symbol, which we call slash, and this cell. Press enter, and we get 4. Okay, to show you the symbols which are used to perform these operations, we'll just change the color, and here they are. For addition, we use plus. For subtraction, we use minus. For multiplication, we use asterisk. And for division, we use this forward slash. That's all for now. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, everybody.